Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to stop the key pressing pop-ups on your keyboard. So if you are just typing, you will see our effect or visualize called a key pop-up. While you're clicking the keys, you will see this pop-up on your keyboard. You can just disable this using this particular option on your Google keyboard. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. How to turn off the pop-up keypress on the Google keyboard or gboard. So it's actually simple with a simple settings. So I just open a keyboard here. So while you're just typing, you will see an option of you can see this pop-up. This not this. While typing, you will see this pop-up of the keys. If you don't want this, just do this. Click on this icon. Click on the setting option. Just go to the preference. Just scroll down. You will see a option called pop-up on keypress. So this option allows the keyboard to pop up the every keys while you just pressing. Just turn it off. That's like just go to the keyboard. Now you can see there will be no pop-up, only you can see the tapping button have some effects. So this is how you just disable the pop-up, and you can just enable just going to setting option, going to preference, and just scroll down, just enable the pop-up on keypress. This is how you just turn off the pop-up keypress on keyboard. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.